What if I told you that you could create 100 cinematic AI videos while you sleep? Not one at a time, not 5. 100 real short films with a single click. No expensive software, no hours of waiting, just pure automation that turns Google's VEO3 into a content machine. Stick around, because what I'm about to show you changes everything. Hey, it's AIpreneur here. And today, we're diving into something most creators don't even know exists yet. Everyone's testing Google VEO3 like it's a toy, making one video at a time. But I've cracked a system that lets you automate the entire process and generate cinematic videos in bulk. This is beginner-friendly, and I will walk you through every single step, including the consistent workflow that keeps your characters and style locked across every scene. This is not a theory. By the end of this video, you will have your first batch of videos ready to upload and everything you need to launch your own AI content channel. Sound good? Then let us jump into it. Step 1, create your story with consistency lock. Here is where most creators fail. They jump straight to generating videos without establishing consistency rules. Then they wonder why every scene has different characters or random style changes. We're going to fix that with a 3-part consistency system before we even touch VEO3. Let's first create our story. So, open ChatGPT or Claude and use this prompt. This prompt will give you 12 scenes of historical story. Hit generate and don't turn it into video prompts yet. We need to lock it in consistency first. For that, paste this next prompt into your chatbot. You will get all prompts in the description. Now hit generate and copy this entire output and save it. This is your consistency lock. Every video prompt will reference this. You should have now a 12-scene story concept and a complete consistency lock with character DNA, world Bible, and camera language defined. In the next step, I will show you how to access VEO3 and set up the automation tool that makes bulk generation possible. Step 2, access VEO3 and set up AutoFlow. Now that we have our story and consistency system ready, let's set up the tools that will generate everything automatically and in one click. So, open Google and search for AutoFlow automation for VEO3. You will see a browser extension pop up. Click on it. Once it is installed, pin it to your toolbar so you can access it easily. Here is what AutoFlow does. It removes all the repetitive work from video creation. No more typing prompts one by one, no more waiting for each video to render, and no more downloading files manually. It handles everything automatically, and it's free to use. Next, click on the AutoFlow extension and select Go to Flow. Flow is the official platform where VEO3 lives. Create your account if you don't have one yet. It takes about 30 seconds. As you know, VEO3 works on a credit system. The free version gives you 100 credits to start with. If you're serious about scaling, you can upgrade for more credits. Models, credit amounts, and pricing can vary by country and plan, so check what you see on your own screen. I'm using a paid plan that gives me enough credits for about 100 videos per month, more than enough to fill a content calendar. Now, we need to dial in the settings so the automation runs smoothly. So click on the settings icon in AutoFlow. First, under Video per Task, select 1. This tells the system to generate 1 video per prompt. Choosing multiple just wastes credits. Second, choose your model. Select VEO3 because the model names may vary on your screen, and for bulk creation, choose the faster option if available. You can look at the credit cost displayed for each model. Third, pick your aspect ratio. If you are making YouTube shorts, choose vertical. For long-form videos or cinematic shorts, choose landscape. I'm going with landscape for this tutorial. Fourth, set your video length. Type in 5 to 10 seconds for each clip. This keeps your workflow fast and efficient. And lastly, turn on auto downloads. This feature scans for finished videos and downloads them automatically. No manual work required. At this time, you should have AutoFlow extension installed, VEO3 account created, and settings configured for bulk generation. Coming up next, I will show you how to convert your story into VEO3 prompts with a consistency lock built into every single one. Step 3, create the story scenes and convert it to VEO prompts. Now we turn your story into VEO3 prompts, but we are doing it the smart way with consistency headers on every single prompt. So go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt that will convert your story into VEO3 prompts with ConsistLock. This is critical, as every single prompt needs that consistency header at the beginning. This is what tells VEO3 to keep everything locked. Now, let us clean up the output so we have a perfect numbered list ready to paste into AutoFlow. And for that, we will use this cleanup prompt. Now, copy this entire list. This is what we will paste into AutoFlow. You should have now a clean numbered list of 12 VEO3 prompts, each with the consistency header. In the next step, I will show you how to generate all 12 videos in bulk with a single click. Step 4, create your full story in bulk. This is where the magic happens. We're going to take all 12 prompts and generate them automatically. So head over to AutoFlow and click on Control. You will see a large prompt box. Paste all 12 prompts into the box at once. Click Add to Queue and click Start Queue, and then hit Run on this project. And that's it. The automation kicks in. You are not clicking anything. You are not waiting between each one. It is all happening automatically. Watch as AutoFlow works through your queue, generating each scene one by one, automatically downloading them as they finish. Depending on your credits and server load, this should take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes for all 12 clips. While those are rendering, we are going to move on to creating the voiceover. By the time we are done with that, your videos will be ready. Coming up next, I'll show you how to create a professional cinematic voiceover that matches your historical story perfectly. Step 5, create your cinematic voiceover. Now it is time to create the narration for your historical story. We are breaking this into 2 sub-steps. First, generating the narration script for our story, and then creating the actual voiceover. So go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt to create a proper narration script based on your 12 scenes. Hit Generate and read the output. This is your narration script. Now let us turn that script into professional voiceover. So go to Google AI Studio and click on Turn Text to Speech with Gemini and select Single Speaker Mode. Paste your narration script into the text box. The character limit is generous, so you can paste the full thing. On the right side, you will see voice options. Pick one that fits your historical tone. I recommend a deeper, more measured voice. Test a few until you find the right match. Here is a secret weapon for best voice quality. Click on Style Instructions. Go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt. That will describe the narration style of your narration, and hit Generate. Copy the output and paste it into the Style Instructions box in Gemini. Now hit Run and let it generate. Listen to the result. If the pacing feels right and the tone matches your historical vibe, download it. If not, adjust the style instructions and regenerate. You might need to add speak slower or add more dramatic pauses between sentences. You have now a professional cinematic voiceover saved to your computer, perfectly matched to your 12-scene story. Now, let us check if the bulk generation is done and assemble everything into your final video. Step 6, assemble everything in your editor. By now, your bulk video generation should be complete. AutoFlow will have saved all your clips into a folder numbered in sequence. This makes editing incredibly easy. You don't have to hunt for the right clip, just follow the numbers. You can use any editing software for this. For this tutorial, we will use CapCut desktop version. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your voiceover and all your video clips into your editor. Next, drag the voiceover onto the timeline first. This is your anchor then. Starting with clip 1, drag each scene onto the timeline above the voiceover. Match each clip to the corresponding narration. Trim any extra footage so the visual matches the audio timing, and then select all the clips and lower the volume down. After that, add smooth transitions between scenes. Go to Transitions, search for Gradual Fade or Cross Dissolve, and apply it between all clips. This creates a cinematic flow. Do not forget to add captions. Click Auto Captions in CapCut. Generate the subtitles and apply a simple, readable template. White text with black outline works well for historical content. Color grade if needed. VEO3 output is usually good, but you can add a slight cinematic LUT or adjust contrast saturation to unify the look. And lastly, export your video. Use 1080p or 4K, depending on your clips. H.264 codec for YouTube. And that's it you have now. One complete cinematic historical short film ready to upload. Let me show you what the result looks like.
A falling star meets a waiting lantern, and time loosens its grip as the first path opens. Ink and paper awaken, stories taking flight as history learns to multiply itself. Oceans glow with imagined roots, courage written across uncharted water. Stars rearrange above curious hands, knowledge forming patterns humanity can follow. Steel and steam.
This is what VEO3 looks like when you stop experimenting and start scaling with proper consistency systems. That's the entire workflow. 20 minutes of setup, and you can create a month's worth of content in a single day. The key difference between this and what everyone else is doing is the consistency lock. That is what turns random AI clips into actual coherent stories. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to AIpreneur for more tutorials like this. By the way, I just published another 2 parts like this automation workflow, and the best part, one dropped a secret full automated workflow that handles everything itself. Look and drop a comment and let me know what type of AI videos you want to create next. Thanks for watching. Now go automate your content and start building your channel.